Hello friends, welcome to the video lecture series on data analysis with the help of Python. So in the last tutorial we have seen about how you can filter the data, how you can discard the data, whatever the datas are missing based on your some rules. Now in this tutorial we are going to see about how you can fill those missing data. So sometimes it may happen that there are few records having just few columns are missing, so you just do not want to discard that data, but you want to fill with some kind of constant value or constant value based on individual features or individual column, or you want to put this just the mean value of across the that particular feature on that place of that missing data. So let's see how we can do it with the help of this pandas library on the top of this data frame object. Okay, so I have already created one a sample data frame uh, which used in earlier tutorial. So let's just import this data frame. Before that, let's import this pandas and we'll import this numpy library for describing this nan value, not a number value. And let's just print this df. Is a typo here. Okay, so it has printed there are 4 rows and a 3 column, and the first row has all values, second row has 2 none value, the third row has a all 3 values are missing value. So in this way there are couple of values are available and couple of values are missing. Missing means not a number. Now suppose in case of this all those value, if you want to replace with the some kind of constant value, let's see how we can do it actually. So to fill this constant value we can apply fill function. Fill na. So fill not a number function we can apply on the top of this data frame object, and we supply this constant value by which you want to replace all the missing value into currently data frame object. So let's see, we want to replace it with a 0. Okay, so wherever there is a missing value it has replaced by the 0 and it has written as the new data frame object. So this is all about the constant value throughout the full data frame object. Now suppose based on individual columns we need to replace different value. So something like on a first column we wherever the datas are missing we want to replace by a -5. This is the example I have taken. So in a second column we want to replace it by 0, and a third column we need to replace it by 5. So how we can do it? So same function we can apply. So instead of passing just constant value we can pass the dictionary object here. So we can pass like on a 0th column replace all value by -5. First column replace all value by the 0, and in the third column on a index which is having a second, all values by the 5. Now let's see what will come. Okay, so if you compare original data frame object with this one, all value which is having a missing it has filled up by -5 in a first column, in a second is a 0, and in a third one it's a 5. Okay, so this way column level filling you can do with some kind of constant value. Suppose we want to apply some kind of median or averaging of full data wherever there is a missing data. So how we can do it? So same function we can apply. It's all about your creativity that how you want to use this fill function, and inside the fill function you can put any kind of mathematical logic based on rows or based on column or based on your individual data. So you can apply df dot mean. So there are a hell lot of statistical functionalities are available inside this day pandas library, so you can apply this mean. So it will calculate the mean wherever for those value for which these values are available, for cells for which these values are available, and it will calculate the mean and it will put this mean across wherever this there is a missing value. Okay, so mean is 3.25, so it has kept it here where the values were missing. Here also 4.55, so across the column it has calculated the mean and it has put it inside this missing cell. Okay, this is all about how you can put the constant value, or you can find the mean and you can plug it across the column. Now suppose you want to interpolate the value, so whatever the values are available with respect to that particular column, something, let's try to understand with some example. So let's just consider first column. So it has a 5.0, 1.5, and there are two missing value across the first feature or first column. So what does this interpolate mean? So interpolate is a lot of method. We are going to see couple of or one by one. The third and a fourth row has a missing value, so whatever the most immediate numbers are available, it will just interpolate. So in the case of first column, 1.5 is the immediate number is available, so it will just replicate it 1.5 and 1.5 here. In case of second column, it 2.9 is the most immediate, so here it will replace 2.9, 2.9. In case 8.0 and 8.0. so let's see how we can do it. We can use the same function fill na, and we can supply one method name. Method name is okay. So we have achieved the result. 1.5 is here, 2.9 in this place, and 8.0. okay, so this way we can fill the missing value. If suppose you want your data is very much crucial with respect to those particular record or particular feature, and you don't want to discard the data, this way you can fill up and you can go for further processing of your data. So thank you guys for the watching. I hope you enjoy listening this video. Please do like, comment and subscribe it.